I just found a brand new AI agent that lets anybody build custom apps in minutes. And this tool doesn't just build apps for you and your team. It builds apps that can instantly be hooked up to Claude, ChatGPT, or any other MCP compatible agent to pretty much give you an AI powered app. And the best part is you don't have to know how to code in order to do this. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this tool is, how to use it, and I'm gonna share with you a few crazy use cases you could use this for to make money today with an AI app. Now that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Creo AI. And now in order to use it, it's very simple. You come over here and you tell it exactly what you want to build, and it can build you an AI native app. Or there are a few other ways that you can interact with it. For example, you could click on Get Inspired right here, and you can come over here and see all the different MCP servers that this currently has access to. For example, things like Google Sheets, or things like Gmail, or things like YouTube, Perplexity Search, Reddit, or even something like Slack. And then you could come over here and see what APIs this actually has access to. And then guess what? You could grab a few of these. For example, I'm going to grab Slack, I'm going to grab X, and I'm going to grab YouTube, and then I'm going to click on Generate Ideas. Now what this is going to do is come up with unique ideas for creative projects that actually use these different MCP servers. So if you're stuck for an idea, you could use this. Or what you could do is you could come over here and see some things that are already built out, and you could click on preview right here. You could mess around with it, see if this is something that you want to build based off of, and then guess what you can do from here? You can actually remix this. So if you click on remix, you'll be able to build your own custom version of this. Or if you have an idea and you already know what you want to build, just tell it and it'll go off and do it. Oh, and by the way, if you wanted to, you could come over here down in the left-hand corner, you could click on integrations right here, and you can actually come in here and add a custom MCP server or a custom API server if you wanted to. So here's my idea for an app. I'm saying to this, I want to build a GLP-1 tracking app that helps users track their GLP-1 shots and helps them monetize their weight loss and progress. In addition, it should include a chat feature where users can chat about issues, concerns, etc. that they're having with their medication. Now I'm going to go through and click send on this, and then this is going to begin to actually build this out. Now, while this is actually building this out, I'm going to come over here and connect this to external tools in order to actually power this up. So in order to actually do this, I'm going to need to make sure that this is connected to a few different things. The first one is going to be OpenAI ChatGPT, and then also I might want to make sure that it has access to some other things. For example, I'm probably going to want to give it access to Perplexity and maybe even Google Tasks. So we're going to come over here. We're going to scroll up a little bit. We're going to find Perplexity again. I know that I saw it earlier, or I could just come over here and actually type it in. And then we could see Perplexity Search right here. I'm going to click on confirm, and this is going to allow us to actually go through and power these up. The way that we're going to do this is we're just going to chat with this, and more likely than not, we're going to have to give this our different API keys when we actually get to that. Now, for this, we could see that this created a product brief, and we could see that it outlined all the different features that it's going to create. So GLP-1 injection tracking, weight loss progress monitoring, progress dashboard, community chat system, and we could see that this is going to be powered by ChatGPT, injection reminders, so it will actually send notifications, and data export, and then I go through, I approve it, and now this builds up the agents that are going to go through and are going to actually build these out. Now, while this is going through and this is actually creating this, and we could see all of that that's going on right here, I did want to emphasize a few things. First and foremost, that now with Creo, every app that you build could be accessed by co-pilots like ChatGPT and Claude via the MCP. So you don't actually have to learn a new UI. You just seamlessly build AI native apps ready for both humans and agents, which is pretty awesome. In addition to that, this obviously allows you to do natural language development. I actually haven't coded anything. I'm just going through telling this what I want done, what I want integrated, and this is actually going through and building all of it out. And then if we come over into dashboard over here, instead of looking at preview while it's creating, we can actually see everything that's happening. We could see the original prompt that was used, the code agent input. We could see the build summary right here. We could see all the different integrations and which one of them need to actually be set up. And then we could go through and authorize these. We could see the settings here. For example, making it a template, we could turn it on and off. We could see the MCP connection URL. We could see the data schema, the content, the code, and all of that jazz. And one other thing that makes this incredibly useful, if we start to mess around and change things, we could see all the different versions right here, so we can easily revert back if something gets broken or anything like that. In addition to that, CREAO makes it incredibly easy for you to not only build alone, but for you to invite team members and you all to build together. Okay, now we can see that this is built out, but in order to connect to these MCPs, I have to go through and authenticate these. Now, I don't want to leak my API keys to you guys, so I'm going to do this quick, and then I'm going to show you what the app actually looks like. Okay, so now that I actually put those in here, we can see what this app actually looks like. And again, this versions is incredibly easy for us to work with, which I really love. Now, if we come back over to the chat right here, we could see exactly what this looks like. And I'm going to do a full window view here. So we got the dashboard, we got the injections, we've got weight, and we also have community, which is really awesome because now people can come over here and they can chat with each other. Now, in addition to this, if we come back over here, and I'm going to loosen up this view right here, if we click on this is their Copilot, which is awesome. So I asked it, what can you do? And it says, hey, I'm your AI Copilot created by CREAO, designed to provide intelligent assistance across all of your app interactions. So this can actually do data management and analysis. This can do tasks and project management, research information, communication and chat support, and it can show you all the different available tools, and it tells you exactly how it works. So this helps you actually go through and ask questions with this. So this can actually tell it specific things about all the different apps that you create. And in specific, we could see here that it tells me exactly what I can do under here, which is pretty awesome. And what this will actually do is help your users use the app. And again, I didn't even have to create this at all. Now, once this is done, and let's say that this app is perfect, this is exactly what I wanted, I can come over here and I can click on share right here, and then we could go through and set this live, or we could make this as a template. And that makes it incredibly easy to share it with the CREAO community if we think that users are going to benefit from this, or if we wanted to actually monetize our app, it makes it incredibly easy for us to come over here, publish the app, and then we can begin to share it with your audience or whoever you're trying to sell it to. In addition to that, you can come over here and you can ask this to change anything if it needs to, but I'm pretty amazed at how easily this was able to one-shot this app. Now, before I show you a few of those crazy use cases that you can implement today in order to monetize an app like this, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with CREAO AI today for yourself, because you and your team are going to love what it could do for you, and it doesn't require a credit card or coding experience in order for you to get started. Now, use case number one that I wanted to inspire you with is going to be a content repurposer. So if we come over here and look at content and marketing automation, we click on preview right here, we could see that CREAO has already built out something very good with this, with AI content right here, where this can actually generate content. Now, my idea is not to have all of this, but to go super specific on this AI content, because there are a lot of people that generate content on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, across so many different platforms, and what they want is a very simple tool where they can tell it exactly what they want to create, and then it will actually go off and create it. In fact, we could see that a lot of this was built out right here, but it's not going to be specific for all those different platforms. So what I would suggest that you do, if you want to be able to make some money with AI, is come over here and remix this, but make it hyper specific. And if you come over in here into ideas, you could see that you could actually hook this up to X, or you could hook this up to YouTube, and you can hook this up to different social media platforms, and you can also hook it up to ChatGPT so it can actually create the scripts and create the content for that and give you content ideas. And this right here is a gold mine of an idea, because there are so many content creators that are looking for stuff like this in order to help them create better content. Now, idea number two that I have is actually based off of this centralized notes right here. So if we come over here, we could see that this is going to be an internal tool that has to do with notes. But how cool would this be if you could actually track what you ate? So instead of this being notes right here, you could go through and have this be something like breakfast, lunch, dinner for each day. And then what you would be able to do is hook up ChatGPT so you could upload a photo of the food that you ate. That will then spit out a description, how many calories it thinks it is, and it will actually be able to track your calories every single day. And then if you wanted to expand on that, you could add in the workouts that you did. You could add in how well your sleep was, how well your stress was, and everything like that. And you could actually build off of this Notes app an incredibly good calorie tracking app, and even a weight loss app. And if you wanted to take it a step further, you could niche it down for a specific type of weight loss or a specific type of user. And if you promote something like that on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, guess what? You're going to run into an app that a lot of people want to sign up for when they see just how easy it is and just how creative it is of a way for them to be able to track their calories. And then the final thing that I had is actually based off of this invoice tracking right here. If we come over to preview, we could see that they have an invoice tracker. Well, what I personally want is a retirement tracker. I want to be able to track how much money I'm going to have at said date. I want to be able to track if I'm above or behind schedule. I want to be able to track what I should actually be buying and selling. In fact, you could build this out instead of an invoice tracker, a retirement tracker, and you could add ChatGPT in there, because the number one thing that is going to impact whether or not you have money when you retire is, one, whether or not you're contributing, and two, you not actually touching that money. And the easiest way for you to not touch that money would be building out something like this, where you can go ahead and then have a conversation with a ChatGPT therapist, again, by you hooking up some of these different MCP servers and APIs. And this right here is a no-brainer idea. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 other AI tools that I personally can't live without. I'll see you over there.